So this is the first job that we have where someone is looking for pen tester as a team. 3 to 5 years experience is required, right? And this is a hybrid plus remote. And if you want to join, you can drop your resume here. Company name is Subic Subixon Technologies, right? It's urgent hiring, so if you apply, you'll get hired very soon. Next one is someone is looking for cybersecurity consultant to join Riskberg Consulting. So the skills which require mobile application pen testing, VAPT, WAS, top 10, SS, all those things. 2 to 4 years of experience required, guys. They are hiring for web application pen testers as well. So in case if you don't have knowledge, because web application pen testing is a knowledge where if you're not going to get a job, you'll getting some sort of skills from where you can earn, right? So for learning that, you can join this URL viehgroup.com/TCA, right? Sivani.s@riskberg.com is the mail on which you can apply, and this is the something that you can write into subject line. Virtual CAM is hiring for technical vacancies. GRC analyst 3 to 4 years of experience. Junior cybersecurity analyst 2 to 3 years of experience. Cybersecurity associate, fresher, security intern, and the other mail on which you can drop the resume, right? Next is someone is hiring as a freelancer trainer. These are things that you need to train. Mobile number is this one, and this is the email ID on which you can send your resume. Next one is cybersecurity consultant, which is contract based job, US hourly basis, $60 they are going to pay you around, right? And 1 year contract. And this is the what you need to do requirement, and this is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? Next one is there's a company known as MyMaid. So they are hiring for SOC analyst L1 L2, penetration tester, cybersecurity pre-sales specialist. Nicosia Cyrus is this location where they are hiring actually. And guys, SOC is also very important skills. If you want to learn about SOC, you can check out this URL viehgroup.com/SOC, right? So next one is L2 Bangalore, face-to-face photo, 8 years of experience required, 24/7 role, key skills. This is a mail ID gopi.c@ssoft.labs.com. Next one is SIM engineer, Gurgaon location. There are things which is skills required plus responsibilities. You can pause this video if you want to know little more about what they are hiring for. 4+ years of experience required. This is the mail ID. They are hiring in Deloitte, right? Company name Deloitte. We can do. That's what we have. Thank you very much for joining. If you have any questions, you can join our community. You can ask your questions there, right? You can drop a message on this WhatsApp number, right? Have a great day. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys, for joining. Actually, I'm little busy, plus health is a little down. So coming live tomorrow once again, and we can have a lot more discussions. So have a great day.